How to add subtitles in CapCut. So if you wanna edit the video in the CapCut and you wanna extract the text, the speech, so subtitles from that video, or maybe if you wanna add an audio and extract subtitles from the audio, I'm gonna show you how you can do both. Let's get started. Firstly, go ahead and open the CapCut on your laptop or your phone, it doesn't really matter, and tap button Edit on the bottom of the screen. Now we're gonna click New Project to start creating. So I'm gonna select this video of Mr. Beast and tap Add. Now, if you want to extract subtitles from the audio, then as a first step, click Audio on the bottom of the screen. Then you can tap on Sounds, for example, and add something from the suggested options. Anything you want to, tap on plus. And then you need to select this audio track, swipe left, no, just go back, and again, and then swipe till you can see text. From here, you will see the option Auto Lyrics, so you can extract lyrics from that song, or you can tap on Auto Captions, and it will generate captions from the audio. But I want to extract captions from the video, so I'm going to remove the audio, and let's repeat the process. I'm going to tap on Text and tap Auto Captions. From here, we can customize and generate it as we want. So we can tap on Generate From and select Video. Then we can manually choose Spoken Language. Usually it's set to Auto Detect, but if you know exactly what language is in that video, you can just select it manually. I know that in this video it was English, so I'm going to choose it. And as for templates, you can see many different options. Some of them are only for free trial. But if you don't see the free trial marking, this means that you can use this option as many times as you want to. And you can tap on this option to see the preview how the subtitles will look. Let's use, for example, let's leave that option. Also, as for the free trial, we can use translated language and we can identify fellow words. I'm not gonna do that, I'm just gonna select this one and tap on Generate. And now it is generating captions, so we need to wait till it will load to 100%. And here it is, let's just go ahead and check how it looks. So yep, we get, I built this maximum security preset, and if this cab and this criminal survive 100 days together, I will give them $500,000. So the subtitles are really precise, but if you see the typo, you can just tap on the subtitles, then tap on the pen icon, and you can manually edit the subtitles. So you can add, for example, emojis here. You can erase something, and basically you can customize it and add it as you want. Also, you can press and hold on the subtitle and move it to the middle of the screen, to the top, to the bottom. You can also use the pin gesture to make it smaller or bigger, also to rotate as you want. And do the same for each of the section. And also sometimes we can see gaps between the subtitles. We can fix that if we just hold the right or the left hand of the subtitle and drag it to fulfill this gap. Let's do it one more time. And on the beginning, I'm going to drag it to the beginning. And now we have perfectly made subtitles for that specific video, so we can click on Export and immediately save this one without a watermark to the gallery. Let's go ahead and open Photos, and I'm gonna find this video. And yep, everything is looking pretty good. So that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.